What's up guys, welcome to another episode of Andy Rocks, and in this video guys we're gonna be unboxing the new Samsung Galaxy Gear S3 Frontier. So why I bought the Gear S3, why I didn't buy other smartwatches, and is it worth it in 2018? So let's find out guys, no more wasting time, let's get started. I just got my package this morning and I got it from DHL and I ordered it from ebay.com. So as I mentioned in my earlier video that eBay is not always safe because sometimes their package comes broken or something like that. But if you take via DHL is I trust DHL so much. That's why I don't think that any problem I would face with the package. Let's see. So I got it from South Korea and it took like 7 to 10 days to come here, but the thing is they had some international custom charges or something like that, which was not mentioned in their website when I bought this. So I had to pay 37 euros for the custom invoice charges when the DHL arrived here. Just keep in mind that sometimes DHL, I mean they charge something for the custom and all those things. I don't know that you guys know that already or not, but I didn't know it. That's why I just want to let you know guys. Okay, let's open this. Ta-da-ta-da! Gear S3 looks amazingly gorgeous, very premium looking, and as you can see, this one is a charger that you will get, a wireless charger. So you can see guys, it looks very premium, amazing. And they have a screen protector on the screen. I would suggest you guys to buy tempered glass, and that's actually nice because you don't want to leave scratches or any marks on your premium watch. And you can also find some amazing cases for your Gear S3. I will give the link in the description below guys. Just keep it aside and let's see what else we got in the box. So we got another strap, and this one is a small version, and I think we got the manual book, warranty card here. Okay, and we have the charger. That's it, what you'll get in the box. Now let's turn on this thing. So you just press this button and hold it. So now click on next, and it says download Samsung Gear app on your phone.
So the main reason why I bought this is the stunning display and the looks. It has actually more pixel density than the Apple Watch 3. And the next thing is the rotating bezels. You can just rotate the bezels and get more options or select options. I mean, it's a new feature that we get in the Gear S3. And it's water resistant, IP68 certified. You can easily go to shower or easily you can go for a swim. It won't affect your watch at all. And another thing is there are tons of cases and straps available on internet, so you can just select whatever design, whatever you like. You can give your watch a new look, and that is why I bought this device. And with the new software update of Tizon 3.0, it brought us tons of features that we didn't have before.
So that's it for today, guys. If you consider this video was helpful for you, hit that like button, and if you are new to my channel, welcome to my channel. Make sure you press that subscribe button and the bell icon beside the subscribe button as well to get notified with the latest updates of my channel. So that's it for today, guys. I will see you soon in my next video, and keep rocking. This is actually my wine opener.